Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something exciting for all the skateboard enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Mob Skateboard Grip Tape Sheet, the best skateboard grip tape on the market. Stick around to find out why this is a must-have for your skateboard setup. The Mob Skateboard Grip Tape Sheet is designed to provide maximum grip and control for your skateboard. It comes in a sleek black color, adding a touch of style to your board. With a length of 33 inches and a width of 9 inches, it's perfectly sized to fit most skateboard decks. Let's dive into the key features that make this grip tape stand out from the competition. One of the most frustrating things when applying grip tape is dealing with air bubbles. Mob Grip Tape is engineered for a no-bubble application, making it incredibly easy to get a smooth, secure fit on your deck. The grip tape features a perforated pattern, which not only adds to its visual appeal but also ensures a firm grip without sacrificing comfort. Mob Grip is a renowned brand in the skateboarding world, known for its premium quality products. This grip tape is no exception, built to withstand the demands of skateboarding. So, why should you choose Mob Skateboard Grip Tape? Well, here are a few reasons. Mob Grip is the #1 selling grip tape for a reason. It's trusted by professional skateboarders worldwide. Say goodbye to those annoying air bubbles. Mob Grip Tape offers a hassle-free application process, ensuring a secure fit. Skateboarding can be tough on your gear. Mob Grip Tape is built to withstand the wear and tear of skateboarding, so you can trust it to last. The Mob Skateboard Grip Tape Sheet is available in various options to suit your needs. You can get a single sheet or opt for a pack of 2 or 3 sheets, depending on your preferences. Prices start at just $3.78, making it an affordable choice for skaters of all levels. In conclusion, the Mob Skateboard Grip Tape Sheet is the best skateboard grip tape you can get your hands on. With its no-bubble application, perforated design, and exceptional quality, it's a game-changer for your skateboarding experience. Don't compromise on grip and control, choose Mob Grip. That wraps up our review of the Mob Skateboard Grip Tape Sheet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this grip tape, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy skating!